everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get custom ringtones on your Android phone. So if you want to go and do this, just go on over to the Google Play Store and go to search and type in ZEDGE, Z-E-D-G-E. And when you have this open here, go to ZEDGE here, Wallpapers and Ringtones, and install. And you don't have to purchase this at all, so you can just exit out of those if you see something that requires payment. So we can go to open, and then we can just opt out of this permission right here, or opt out of the data collection. Opt out, press the X, not now. Then here they want you to pay for like a plan or something like that. You don't have to do that. We can just keep it the free version by pressing X. And then we go to search on the top, and we can type something in like Halo or something like that. Go to search, go to the ringtones, and then we can scroll on down and we can choose Halo 2 or something like that. Then we can go to this option down here and we can set it as the ringtone on our phone. So we can just go to set ringtone, allow the permission, and it should be set as your ringtone now. Ringtone is updated. Now a lot of times I just do this for contacts. I come up with different songs for each person that's calling. And then we can save it to our media folder if we want to download it. So you can set it as your alarm too, set notifications. So you can choose one of those options under there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.